Hello everybody, and welcome back on a real frosty Saturday morning. And I've actually got back down to the apiary. The last few months we had to move the bees out because the people who look after the power lines run right through where the apiary was, and obviously they wanted all the bees taken out so they could come in and cut the trees out which are anywhere near the power lines. And I'll just show you a brief view of what they've done really. There's normally about 30 odd beehives here, but there's none at the moment. And if you look down that way, you can actually sort of see what they've done. So either side of the power lines, runs right down there. They've cut a massive big swathe of any trees overhanging. And obviously, I suppose that's a safety thing really. So all the bees had to go. And first day back today, so I'm going to try and get tidied up so we get the bees back on here, ready for the summer honey flow. As you can see, it's all pretty bare, stuff to tidy up. We've got some friends down, and we're just trying to get rid of the colonies they've left really. But as you can see, they seem to have cleared it all away, right the way through. Massive bit of cutting. They could have cut that tree down there, that seems a little bit close to that, but they've obviously decided to leave that one. Anyway, I'll show you later on after we've done a bit of tidying up. All the best, thanks a lot.